You can use the Vercel AI SDK in the client, and this is a big deal. Until this morning, was convinced the Vercel AI SDK, let's say, is a lang chain that doesn't suck, specifically made for a TypeScript developer, is a way to use different models with a cohesive API, and is very easy to change AI model, very easy to do things like generating object, structured object with a strict schema, generate text, stream text, all the normal kind of things you'll do when using an AI-powered application. I was sure that some or most of it used server-specific API. I don't know why, but I was confused about it. Today I asked on the socials if there's something like that for writing an application in Rust. I got advice to just use the Vercel AI SDK in the client, because I wanted to do some Tauri desktop application. I was like, does this work in the client? What? So I tried, and indeed it works. And oh wow, this like increased my developer experience 300%. Now I'm gonna ship 100 desktop application. But let me show you. Let's just run it. As you can see, this is running. This is keeping the connection open and while it streams, and okay, super cool. But what happens? It's extremely simple. In a normal React that uses AI SDK application, you will have expose an endpoint and call it with use chat, stream the response, blah blah blah. But given that this works in the browser, I can literally just use the stream text or generate object or stream object directly from the browser. And in this case, I'm using Llama. So this is even running locally. This is running on my machine because I'm using no Llama on this machine. Damn, that's so good. What happened is just return an async iterable for a wait, normal set text on React, appending the empty string with the delta, and every time there's a new chunk gets appended. That's so easy. So easy for things like desktop application. Why isn't that normal in other scenario? Why there's the quote-unquote server part? Of course, if you're hosting AI feature for a third party, for a user, you don't want to expose your API keys to the client, so you move the thing on the backend. For a desktop, I had the problem that I was sure this was server only and expose it only via HTTP, so it was a pain in the ass to use with no web server scenario, but this should work in an Electron and Tauri app. It will probably just work in React Native too. And in this situation, it's not really a problem because I can use my own API keys as an environment variable. I can create an interface to allow people to enter their API key. Vercel AI SDK is a really well thought of library. I freaking love it. I'm super happy that I learned that I can do that directly into the browser. It opens so much possibility for tools for myself, and hope you're excited even a fraction than what I am, and have a nice day.